Today we will discuss the mains questions related to reasoning. So we will discuss two puzzles today. These two puzzles are clerical mains level. Let us see 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions given below. There are 6 floors in a building such that each floor has 2 flats numbered A and B. Flat A is to the west of flat B. One person lives in each flat. The bottommost flat is the ground floor and the topmost is the 5th floor. Then R lives on the immediate above H. Both the residents of 3rd floor are females. Z, who is a male, lives in flat 1 of 4th floor and he shares the floor with the female. There are 3 floors in between E and G. Both lives in flat B. C lives immediately above U but below L. G is opposite gender of C and L. S shares the floor with D. D lives immediately above T and in the same flat. L lives in A flat below E but not immediately below. Only males live below C. E is a male and is living above G. Only 2 males are there above L. T and C, they are of same gender as B. Now if you see this one, there are 6 floors in a building. So the topmost floor is the 5th floor, bottom is the ground floor. So we should draw like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then ground floor, G for ground. So 5th floor, then 4th floor, 3rd floor, 2nd floor, 1st floor and ground floor. These are the given floors. Here we are having 2 flats A and B. Flat A, flat B. Flat A and flat B. These are flat A and flat B. Then let us start the puzzle. See the first one. So here if you read these points, both the residents of 3rd floor are female. 3rd floor, both the residents are female. That means you keep minus symbol. In 3rd floor, 2 persons are living, both are female. Then Z, who is a male, lives in flat A of 4th floor and he shares the floor with the female. Z, who is a male, lives on flat A 4th floor. This is flat A 4th and he is a male member. He will share the room with the female member. That is the next point. Then Z is a male member. He is sharing the room with the female member. Next, let us see the next one. That is about Z. E is a male. E is a male and living above G. And living above G. E is a male living above G. There are 3 floors in between E and G and both live in flat B. Both live in flat B. Since E is a male, you can't take E here. E is above G. Definitely E should be above G, 3 floors gap. E should be the male and they should come in flat B. So here this one only. Since E is a male, I can't take E here. This one is E and E is a male. Take 3 gap, then you write down G. We don't know what is the gender of G, E and G. Then L lives in flat A below E but not immediately below. L lives in flat A below E. So L should come in flat A only. It is not below E. It is below E but not immediately below. So you can take L here or here. Then what is given? There are only 2 males living above L. There are only 2 males living above L. So you can take L either in the 3rd floor or in the 2nd floor. See, There are only 2 floors above L and 2 males are living above L. Then C is living immediately above U and C is living below L. So after L we should get C, E and U. So there is a chance of L you can write in the 3rd floor, L you can write in the 2nd floor. 2 chances are there. Let us see if L is 3rd floor, what will happen. If I take L is 3rd floor, there are only 2 males living above L. So these are the 2 males. Then what is given? C is living immediately above U. C is living immediately above U. C is living immediately above U but below L. But below L. So these we will get. Then only males live below C. So here you will get either U, only males live below C. Only males live below C. So here we will get plus or plus. Here we will get plus or plus. Then S is sharing the floor with D. S is sharing the floor with D. Now D lives immediately above T. That point won't satisfy. D is living immediately above T won't come. So this is definitely wrong. This one entirely is wrong. Now, so when we are taking L in the 3rd floor, we are getting wrong. If I take L in the 2nd floor, after L there should be C, after C it should be U, and nothing is mentioned about V, D shares the flat with S, see S is sharing the flat with D and D is living immediately above T in the same number flat, Now R is living immediately above H. This one is R. It is living immediately above H. R is living immediately above H. Now, here there are 3 floors between E and G. That point you got. There are 3 floors between E and G. See, this is the thing you got. 3 floors between G and H. Only males live below C. So this one will be definitely plus. This is definitely plus. Only males live below C. There are 3 floors between E and G. 1, 2, 3. So this one is G, sorry. There are 3 floors between E and G. This is G. Nothing is mentioned about V. So here you will get U and V. Only males live below C. So either U or V should be definitely plus. Now, T and C, they are of same gender as V. Since V is plus, T is also plus, C is also plus. Now, what about G? G is opposite gender of C and L. So G and C are plus, so L will be definitely minus. Here we will get both minus because both 3rd floor will be minus. Now above L there should be only 2 males and we got 2 males, so R is definitely minus. So this is the total information or total puzzle you got. Now you have to answer the questions. Let us see the first question. How many females are there? This is flat A, this is flat B. Now, how many females are there below D? Below D, how many females are there? 1. Only 1 female we are having. Below D, we are having only 1 female. So, option is 2. Then, who shares the flat with T? With T, who is sharing L? How many males are there in the building? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, more than 6. Who is the female who is living on immediately above V? Immediately above V, who is the female that is living? That is the question asked. Who is the female who lives on the immediate floor above V? So, above V, who is the female who lives on the floor immediately above V? So, that is the question. Immediately above V, we are having G and C. Above C, who is the female? L. Which is true? L, S, R, they are of the same gender. S and R, they are of the same gender. That is not correct. C is the only male who lives below second floor. So here S and R, they are of the same gender, correct? Because S minus R is also minus. First one is definitely correct. C is the only male below second floor. Is the C only male? So that is not correct. We are having C male, G also male. H and T, they are of same gender. That is also not correct. So only one is definitely correct. See, next question, 6 to 10. Study the following information, then answer the questions. There are 2 concentric squares are drawn on the ground. 8 chairs are placed along each square in such a way that 4 chairs are placed on the side and 4 on the corner. Chairs placed along the inner square are facing to the center, while those faced are outside the center. So let us draw 2 squares like this. This is one square. This is the second square. So totally 8 chairs will be there, either on inner or outer. Now here what is given? Every person sitting on the outer square is facing in the corner, is sitting in the corner. Now chairs placed along the inner square are facing to the center. Inner square, they are facing to the center, while those outer square, they are facing outside the center. This is outside the center. Now E and F, they are facing in the outer square and F is in the corner. E is sitting second to the left of F. So here we will get F, here we will get E. Why? Because every person sitting along the outer square will be only in the corner, they won't come in the middle. Outer square, we will not get any middle person. Then F, who is sitting in the same corner as C, but on the outer square. C is to the immediate right of H. H is not in the corner. H and G, they are facing each other. Now A and B, they are facing away the center, means definitely A and B will come in the corner. A is not sitting second to the right of F. This is second to the right of F. Here we won't get A. That means here we will get A. And here we will get B. Then next one, I is to the immediate left of H. Next, J is not the neighbor of G nor I. So J is not the neighbor of G, means J will not come here or here. Here we will get J. D is not adjacent to G, means D will come here. Now this is the entire puzzle. Let us answer the questions based on this one. Let us see the first question. Okay, let us see first question. Who is to the immediate right of G? So here there is no one. Answer is no one. Who is second to the right of J? The answer is G. Who is facing D? J. Who is to the immediate right of D? That is I. Who is adjacent to H? Either I or C. We don't have C, we are having I. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss again quant mains level in the tomorrow class.